Test, 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 test. Test, test. Okay. I got bad news about the bot. I got real bad news about the bot. First of all, can you hear me and do I sound decent? Is the music decent? I changed everything. Welcome in, Akira. Welcome in, Mono. Rusian, welcome. I changed. Oh, God. So listen. Hopefully everything's normal. I guess that's the better question. I have my microphone sitting on a stand. I have um so here's the deal. I used to have yeah, oh dude, look, I did it all. I did it all. No, Mono, I canceled the phone for now to try to save money. So here's the deal. Close the computer screen so I just have one monitor. But I had this freaking tripod in the middle of the monitor and that was horrible. So I found a way to get the webcam to come over the monitor from around the back using your iPhone as a Spotify display. Oh, that's funny. um so anyway, no, after over a year of having a tripod in the middle of my screen, I finally just realized I can just have it come around the back of the monitor. And then that basically allowed me to stop sharing from the Retina device. I got more stuff coming today. My webcam is literally duct taped to a I guess it's a mount. I took my microphone mount. So my webcam is duct taped to my white microphone mount. It's just it's a whole thing, guys. So anyway, we're here. Um oh yeah, we're holding on by a thread. But as long as I sound decent, as long as it looks decent, I want to change that. As long as it looks normal. As long as those things look normal, we're good. So yeah. Awesome. It actually really is a good setup. I do have a couple more parts coming from Amazon today. That's going to, I don't know where to put this thing. Where do you think I should put this? Probably just above my head. There, you can't miss it now. Screw it. Boom, you can't miss that now. Okay, we got some bugs to fix. I hope all is well. That's not a bad. Yeah, that is me. That is me. That is me. Testing. Listen. Yesterday, um, I rolled out an update that said, or that basically fixed. Um, yeah, I gotta delete those. Yesterday, I rolled out an update that fixed, quote unquote, fixed new user creation and the tutorial. Right? Wrong. The bug was so bad. I introduced a new bug that was so bad. When you created an account and you verified it and you clicked log in, it sat there and it spun for 10 seconds and then it closed you out of the app, or it signed you back out and said, sorry, there was an error. Absolutely atrocious. So I fixed it. It's live. I'm deleting Heman right now, um, which was a planned human, by the way. Deleting those guys. Okay, those two are deleted. Metadata. So I need to get my browser. See, sharing the screen is so nice because I don't have to like micromanage what screens I'm showing people. That I miss. That I definitely miss. But everything we'll figure it all out in time. Don't have to have the stream set up perfect today. Okay. So, what are the bugs? Mono said put the phone or put the thing under the phone. That's not a bad idea. I don't know how that's gonna work. It's really not a bad idea. That would give me more text editor real estate. I don't want to deal with it right now though. But that is a good idea. Okay, to do. So we need to today. Oops. Today we need to. Let's see. Yeah, that is sick, dude. That is sick. That I love. Okay, perfect. Look at Copilot found all the things I need to do. It's a genius. Oh, so the bot uncommitted changes, unplugged the desktop it was running from. I need to re-plug in the desktop and then plug in a monitor. So which I do have the HDMI still, which is thank God. So I need to get the HDMI plugged in, plug in the monitor, turn on the computer, and from there I can commit the bot with all of its changes and all of its glory. And that's pretty much that's pretty much what needs to happen. Trina, let's go. Rosarshi, welcome. Add a way to view a user's account transaction history, information balance. Oh my god. Jesus. Yeah, what up, Bass? And here's the worst part, Akira. I actually may have. I literally may have. I don't remember. It's not. It's more than that. It's more than that. There were all the commands. Those are stored in files. Did I not pull that down? The DevDad bot. I didn't clone that. I really don't think I did. Oh my god, we're golden. If you thought we weren't golden, you are mistaken. I literally already did it. How do I set the default zoom on this thing? The zoom you see is far too zoomed out right now, right? That's far too zoomed out. Appearance. Zoom. Or what is it? Font size, maybe? Yeah, what's up, Donnie? Yeah, I think you're right. Adjust window when changing font size off. That's been so annoying. Font. I really wish I could just share my whole screen. Or maybe I gotta do what Mono does and just share a corner of my monitor. Font? Come on, how do I change the font size? Whatever. I'll just do this. Nice. That's great. Okay, cool. So I think we do have the DevDad bot. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna give it another shot. All right, npm ready for npm I probably already has everything. npm Run, start. All right, try something. Did it work the whole time? It just worked the whole time, didn't it? I I can't believe I gave you that whole excuse. The amount of time I wasted just even giving that excuse, we could have just been cooking because the bot works. I I did SCP the bot over. I still haven't committed the bot. I guess I did. I don't know. I'm over it. I actually don't care. We got way more important things to do than worry about that bot. Um. Okay, so yeah. Number. Let's get in here. The riddle. That one's that one, dude. That one's historic. That one's historic. That one will never go away. Okay, let's see if not. Let's see if the Q worked because that's what I'm really interested in. Did the Q work? Yeah, it looks like it did, dude. Also, great duo. Zach Bryan and John Mayer. Wow. Okay. Guys, my camera is duct taped in its current position. So if you're like, why is this camera like slightly off? It's because it's literally duct taped. Like straight up duct taped. Can't make this up. Okay. So bugs. Rizarshi, I know we had some bugs, but I've simply forgotten. Yo, what up, Lieutenant? How we doing? Dude, Mono, I actually think we need to bring back the I think we need to bring back um the riddle. The riddle was epic. Okay, what bugs do we have? I know we have bugs. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The most important bug we have is this streak gets off. Which now I'm not seeing it off, so I don't know when it gets off. I don't even know how to get it off. Or how to get it. Walk the plank. Okay, kind of interesting. What's one I do every day? Hmm, I guess this one. I think it's all right. I don't know. I don't know. I know I've seen it off before. Trano, let's go, my guy. Dude, tier 2 sub, by the way, Trano. Get out of town. Thank you for that. Outrageous, dude. Deeply appreciate the support. Lieutenant, 3 stream streak. Let's go. Okay, I don't know what the bug is right now, and that's actually really inconvenient. This literally all looks legit to me. I suppose let's go update one. Say I did walk the plank today. Yeah, it's just working. Well, and it's one. Although it's current, its streak calculation may be off though. That might be the bug. Walk the plank. Yeah, I think its streak calculation may be off. You have some habits now, so thank you. That's what it's about, my guy. And it ain't a sprint. It's a marathon. How did I fix it? Basically, um, had to like change my whole environment. It was insane. It's not easy. It's not done yet, but we're close. So let's see if that's actually. Let's see. Let's try to break it. So let's go to like the third. Okay. Now let's go to the fifth. Walk the plank. Boom. I just broke the chain. Okay. Um, walk the plank. Sure enough, it's broken. Hey, it worked. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it worked. Eight days. Walk the plank. I'm not seeing it right now. I am not seeing it. Hmm. I say we drop it for now. I think it's working fine enough. Um. Why is completing your past or future habits a thing? Just because we haven't gotten around to prevent it yet. That's probably a good. To be honest, that's probably a good one to work on. Go to a test you haven't updated today and complete it. Ah, because it's create versus update. It's create versus update. Like quest of 50K, right? Quest of 50K. Ready? Boom. Quest of 50K. Correct. Okay. That's good. I'm not even sold that's all of it, but it's probably at least most of it. So good find, good find. All right. So I guess to do we're going to fix individual habit streak on create. That's one. Um I think we are at the point prevent completing future tasks. I am curious, does productive let you do that? Hey, look, you can just see my phone in all its glory. Um, that could be to my demise. We'll find out. Okay, let's go to the 13th. Add trending habits. I don't know what all those eyes are. Oh, it's just the freaking worst, dude. I don't care what anybody says. This shit. Come on, dude. Let me pick something. Oh, come on, dude. Hey, that's cool. I just can't use it. You can't update. Okay, cool. That's all I needed to know. Prevent completing future tasks. When are we integrating with Apple Health? Dude, I would do most things to integrate with Apple Health. I swear there was another one that was pissing me off. Let me just do a quick look. Um, I'm not going to be able to remember it now. Oh, this one isn't a bug fix, but it's a much needed. Tap home to roll to the top. Yeah, please do. Please do. I tested it yesterday, so I mean, we should be very good. Tested the full thing. Made my wife watch. Tap home to scroll to top. What else, guys? It's my son's birthday today, by the way. He's sleeping in a bed for the first time. Usually sleeps in a crib. The crib has been disassembled. I can't remember what the bug was. I love that we show badges on user search. Also, user search in general is just so much faster now that we use flash lists. It's so much faster. That's right, Trano. Happy B-Day to the dev, son. Dude's a legend. Let me tell you, the guy loves his Ninja Turtles. That's what the dude loves. And when I say loves, I mean loves. All right. I guess that's where we're starting because I can't remember what the other bug is. Cool. So this is going to be on update. This is going to be planned habit listener uncreated versus unupdated. What's the difference? Okay. This one's update completion status by planned habit ID. Okay, so there's the same thing. I think we decided this was a race condition somewhere. Why would... I'm almost certain of that, actually. Update chat. I actually don't know where. Completed. Oh no, look. It's on completed and on incompleted. Fine. Why you need username for what? Okay, let's go to planned habit. Oh, I don't know yet. I actually don't know yet. Funny enough. Uh, I do know. We used to have tagging in following of users, so we need a way to have uniquely identifiable users. Planned habit, dispatch. Come on. Dispatch. Okay. So whatever's going on completed and on incompleted is screwing me. Handle dispatches. Lieutenant, thanks, dude. It's fire, dude. I really think it is. I'm not even kidding. I think it's a fire app. Guys, the fact that I can use this giant ass 4K monitor to its fullest right now. It took me a year. The sign up issue still exists. I don't believe you. Oh, God. I do not believe you. What version are you on? I took out the code that does that. I don't even think we have 13. Or do we? I thought it was 12. Hold on. I need to figure out how to get QuickTime to find my phone again. But I don't believe you. Why don't I believe you? Because I deleted the code that did it. I'll even show. Main. Unless I didn't commit it. I did commit it. Exactly. So yeah, I deleted the code that put us in that questionable state. So I can't imagine what you're seeing right now. Let me try to get my phone back. QuickTime's not being friendly. God, don't turn your phone sideways, guys. On QuickTime, it'll blow it up. Let me lock my orientation. QuickTime. New movie. Yo, Static, good luck and enjoy. It's the best life, dude. It's the best life. All right, here we go, guys. Ready? Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Not Apple Store. App Store. Download. Open. Log out. Sign out. Boom. Log in. Brent plus sports at embedder.com. Oh, crap. Sign up. Brent plus sports. Okay, we've signed up. Let me go unlock this email. Hold, please. Verify your email. Email verified. Here we go. This is production. Here we go, production. Boom. Sign in. Hello, mate. Continue. Let's get started. Boom, 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 boom. Sports. Create. Amazing work. Wahoo. Boom, boom. Swipe skis. Congrats. Swipe skis. Reset. Tap. Got it. Got it. Got it. Your onboarding is complete. That said, I know you. I'm sure you saw something. I don't know what you saw. We'll need more. We'll need just to dig deeper because I can't imagine what that was that you saw. I know exactly what the bug was, and I deleted the code. That's all. So that's all I know. I added a line of code yesterday that absolutely introduced it. It made total logical sense why the bug existed. Okay. Thanks for testing. Thanks for testing. But I had to combat that one with fury because I battled that one yesterday. Let me tell you, I battled that one. So I was like, nah, I got this one fixed. All right, let's keep cooking then. Um, so what were we doing? Rizarshi, what were we working on? Oh yeah, this thing. Handle dispatches. Unupdated. Aha. So here we are handling dispatches on update. Why not on create? Mmm. Yeah, assuming all goes well today, we're going to uh yeah, I mean, pay for my first ads and we're going to get absolute strangers that have never heard of him better, seeing him better sitting on their timeline. Hopefully they click on it. So, okay, this isn't so bad. Handle. We're gonna do a space RN handle updated handle update dispatches, and then we're gonna create one that's handle created handle create dispatches. And this one's just going to simply be called planned task. Okay. I can't tell you what it's like to have my monitor. My monitor, guys, so I have a 48-inch monitor. It's a giant TV. It has been poorly utilized for over a year. Right now is the first time it's like fantastic. I'm so thrilled about it. So thrilled about it. Okay, created plan test model. Created plan test model. Let's drop this down. Absolute banger, by the way. I'm a bigger fan of Edison than I don't care about either of them. Uncreated. Wait, hold on. Hi. Handle. No. Did not delete it. That bastard. I mean, just kidding. Okay. Banger alert. Lakey, let's go. We're cooking. We're cooking. Handle update. What? We're just fixing bugs, late key. We are getting our first paid advertisements on the internet as a starting today. So we're really just trying to cook some bug fixes here. Okay. Const. I think that's it. I don't think we need a handle create dispatches. Cynical. Let's go, my friend. Let's go. Thank you so much for the support, dude. Outstanding. Wolfric. I'm just a mere computer programmer. That's all I am. I'm just a mere computer programmer. Turning woodworker soon after the AI takes up my job. Yo, Kayas, what's good? Welcome in. All right, so here we are. Handle creates dispatches. Then if we look for create here, handle create dispatches. So this should fix that problem. The problem being habits only get updated on habit streaks only get updated on an update, not a create. Dude, because woodworking's like, dude, it's just such a beautiful thing. I love woodworking. I love it. We're currently house shopping, and I'm hoping my next place has a nice spot for some woodworking. I also hope my lawn's large enough for a riding lawnmower. You used to? Why'd you stop, Jack? All right. Handle create dispatches. I think we're good. So let's test it. Ready? Watch. Watch. Wake up by 4 a.m. Okay? It shows the current streak is 8 days. When I come in here and I mark this as complete, I expect that to say 9 days. Cooked it. That was easy. What about... Okay, let's keep testing it quick. Cancel it. Now it's 0, which I don't hate. This is Expo. Amir. You're just about to complete on your first house, which is exciting. Garage, cellar, and a garden. Bro, gives me butterflies thinking about that. Gives me butterflies. Enjoy. There's nothing more amazing, guys. There is nothing more amazing than making a house a home. I'm here to tell you that right here, right now. It is the ultimate life. Scheduled habit service, get all for user, fine. Fixing bug with habit streaks on create push. Not make a house from scratch. Ain't nobody got time for that. But making a house a home? Now we're talking. All right. Next. Prevent. Oh yeah. Prevent. Yeah, I guess it's time, guys. We left completing future tasks on purpose because it just makes life easier to test things. Aris, by the way, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. I got to get my alerts going again. I missed them. I don't even know I don't even know. I think it's Stream Elements is what I'd used. What if you already did them? Already did your habit? Then it update works today. Um it's create where it wasn't working. Will we get lots of updates? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm probably paying for those now. No, you're getting lots of updates because I keep rolling out bugs. So I'm trying to stop that. I'm trying to fix some of these bugs. Okay, let me streaming tools elements. I just want. Oh no! It says I don't have any. Oh, there we go. Edit. Hold on, let me just try to get this quick, guys. Okay, cool. Let me copy this link. We need our alerts so I can see when people come say hi. Browser alerts. Okay. Paste. Okay. All right. Let's test this. Follower event. Nice. Is that large enough? Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. Cool. I mean, it's better than nothing. Banger alert. You're still working on MVP, but last few months you've gotten a skeleton of your React Native app together. Nice. Now it's on test flight. A couple of friends have installed it. Hey, feel free to share it if you want other people to hammer on it. I, for one, will. Okay. What's next? We said, oh, future tasks. I guess we probably should. How boring. So we need to go to um I don't like the sound of imagine making a major mistake. What is a major mistake? Um planned day. Planned doesn't sound great. I'm hoping. So the test account you were trying to use was your main email. So you deleted your Firebase account on your primary account. Is that right? We should be able to link your user. It's going to take some manual efforts, which I take my son to school today. Or my wife does, but I help him get ready at 7. So after stream, I can help you get it back. Your user's not deleted, which is good. and we can relink them together. Well, it's also tied to your JWT, so you could there could be something going on there. There's a couple of components. Your JWT, which is tied to your Google account, also has your user's user ID. That's critical. JWT has use database user ID, email, and Firebase user ID. So it probably is pointing at the JWT is probably pointing at the wrong user, I bet. All right. This is what we get for testing in prod. Okay. It's a story we'll tell our grandchildren about. Yeah, back in our day, we used to test in prod. Okay. So the idea is, Logan had a really good idea too. Actually, I think Logan might have found a bug. Watch this. I think Logan might have found a bug. I don't know. Let me click this. Did I just create a task for September 31st? Did I just create a task for September 31st? Oh god, that's not what I meant to do. I did. Wait, yes, I did. I got the bug, guys. Dude, someone tell Logan he's the man. We got the bug. We got the bug. We got the bug. We've dude, remember at the end of the year how people were getting these weird accounts? Or sorry, these weird like this date doesn't exist. September 31st isn't a day. But look right here in the database, September 31st. Oh, I got 2 bugs actually. I got 2 bugs. There's an account in our app that crashes the app. Yeah, it just helped me remember. And we're going to do these first because I really don't feel like solving that future task one right now. So watch this. I think it's this one, Yatan. Oh, Yatan, let's say. No, that one works now. Hold on, let me open Discord. What account did he say it was? He said he clicked on someone's account and it crashed the app. And I went and I opened up the account. I'm like, yeah, no, you're absolutely correct. That crashes the app. Yeah, it's your tongue. Okay, so we'll put a line through this one. Well, time's only hard until you realize you just needed a pure date. Once you understand the concept of a pure date, life becomes a lot easier. Fix the 31st bug. This one sucks. We got to fight some of these ugly bugs, guys. So I know how to fix it. Sure. Holy cow, I did not mean to freaking click that. Okay, here. Okay. So next up on the plate is, oh yeah, so we need to go to month picker. Okay. On all right. Month picker improved. Okay. On month selected. So this is what we need to do. If month is ahead of current month, change day to the first. Yes. This should just fix it then. Set selected month. Nani recently got laid off got about 1 year of professional programming experience now. Any tips on landing your second job? The best way I can reason with it is apply, and also have I personally like the personal project route. It's kind of a little harder when you're unemployed trying to get a job. But in general, I like putting personal projects. I like building personal projects that are separate from your 9 to 5s. Put them on your GitHub and host them. And I think that just speaks a lot about people who do this professional and for fun. Just keep that up. Just keep that up. Right now, you basically have to grind. When you don't have the luxury of time, you just got to grind. And it's tough, but just keep grinding. Let's see here. So this thing, day picker. I need to fabricate this. Yeah, portfolio projects are what I used to use to get jobs all the time. All the time. Only had 3 jobs, but those were front and center on my resume. Okay, dude, that can't be right. If this is right, I'm just like the number. I'm just Copilot's #1 fan. Yeah, no. See, what's a day picker? No, that ain't it. It wasn't right. I'm not its number one fan. Yeah, Copilot's really good. Yaroon, let's go. I love that you use Akira's command to say what's up. Do we not have one for you? I'm pretty sure we do. Oh yeah. The go. Yeah, no questions there. No questions there. And true. Hack the system. Facts. All right. So if month is ahead, God, we got to create a freaking one of these. Let me do that. Day type equals boom boom. Day key. Well, the problem is we need to figure out the date. If we could figure out the date, we could do the rest. So month data dot year month. Why don't I do this? Banger alert. I love that I didn't put on a Paramore station and it's just they just keep playing Paramore. Okay, let's see what this says. Cool. Yay, we got a notification. It's like my stream's coming back together, guys. And I'm on my big monitor. I'm very happy. If you were like, I wonder how happy DevDad is on a 1 to 10. Close to a 10. Especially with this song on. Okay. So we know the const month June, July, August. Const month index. Const first of month. Const last of month. Just curious. Console dot log first of month, last of month. She refuses. I mean, they just don't make music like this anymore. That's all I'm gonna say. They just don't make music like this anymore. August, September. Oh my god, we absolutely freaking cooked this, guys. This is so cooked. Dope. Okay. I'll never forget, guys, when I went to a Paramore concert, maybe probably 5 years ago now. So I was in my late 20s, and I'm double fisting beers, probably 20-ounce beers, double fisting in the crowd. Got a couple buddies with me. They're double fisting. We're ready to have a good time at a great band. Okay, double fisted beers. We're amped up. We love Paramore. I turn around, kind of like to evaluate the hype of the crowd. It was just a bunch of like little girls with their dads. And then just like me and my two degenerate friends. And I was like, we, I was like, well, we're still gonna drink these beers, but we should probably not be so degenerate. It was a time to be alive, guys. Time to be alive. Okay, first of the month, last of the month. If great concert, by the way. Always be degenerate everywhere. Month. I'm not far behind you. It's like a it's like a dialed in degeneracy these days. A little bit more dialed in. Let's see here. Selected month ahead of. I can't believe Logan found like the one bug I couldn't find. Let's call this month data ahead of currently. Is this a Java variable? Is this a Java length variable? Copilot, please tell me you know what you're doing. Cool. You know what you're doing, Copilot. I knew you did. Bro, Nickelback is so fire. Dude, Nickelback is absolutely fire. I just enqueued another song by them. Okay, let's see if I can cook this, guys. Yo, Suyash, how we doing? Welcome in. We're grinding as always. Hope you're doing well. Day full. What the dickens is a day full? Bruh. This should be useful. Dev diaries. I see you over there. I see you over there. You gotta understand, I got the 4K monitor. I can see you. Time for a daily dev dad joke, guys. You had a problem earlier. Then you started using Java. Now you have a problem factory. Factories are cool, dude. Date library. Donnie, I am the date library. That's what a lot of people don't realize. Well, for one, uninstall and reinstall whatever you're doing, I think does it. I can't recall how else I may have done it. New month. New month. Let's name this a little bit less horrible. New month ahead of current month. So if we want to use the first. If the new month, then we want to use the first of month. Day short, bruh. What is a day short? I don't know this. What am I supposed to do with this data? I don't even think I need this, to be honest. Does anybody use day short? No. Nobody uses it. Just to be sure. No, I am right. Goodbye. What about day full? Nobody uses it. Day data is a waste of brain power, guys. What about day data? Anybody using day data? No. God knows what I was thinking. Wait, do we use you? Oh no. I'm an idiot. We do use it. Why'd you guys let me do that? Oh no, did we lose our oh crap, I gotta fire up the old war machine. Why do you hate Nickelback? Dude, they're so fire. Day data. Oh, we're so good. We're so good. Because I love it. That makes me very happy. Anytime my haters get a little bit of discomfort, it makes me very excited. Days. Yeah, they be hitting up the DM, dude. I try to tell them it's not that serious. feel like I remember where I was there. I am also kidding. But Nickelback's fire. Universally known truth. Uh, okay. So this is first of month. First of month. First of month. Oh my god, guys, we're about to do it. We're about to do it. First, oh come on. First of month. FOB, absolute timeless. Akira, I'm thinking it's your JWT. In fact, dude. Dude, Rizarshi. Truer words never spoken. Yeah, that sounds rough. That sounds rough, Rizarshi. After these couple of bug fixes, dude, we'll get you cooked. Have I tried Emacs? No. I didn't I never tried Emacs because the Prime engine doesn't use Emacs. So I had to just use what he uses. All right. Set selected month. Okay. That was a joke, but actually kind of serious. Actually, the reason I used NeoVim before I even knew it that people were coding on Twitch or anything, but definitely before I knew who the Primogen was, I remember going on the internet. It was at the very start of this project, by the way. I was living in Virginia, state of Virginia in the United States, and I forget what even caused me to look it up. Something caused me to look up Vim. I don't know why. And I saw this series by the Primogen where he was just screaming at people to use the to use Neovim and explaining why in a tutorial and this and that. And I remember thinking, bruh, if you care this much about Neovim, then I'm gonna use it. Like if somebody could care this much, this is before I knew who he was. Just an absolute. It was like, who is this dude and why is he screaming at me? And that's actually why I picked up Neovim, and here we are today. Same configuration, roughly. Redston was good. I am a bit locked in, aren't I? I was a bit locked in there. Can't help myself. No, no, no. Redston, how we doing? Yeah, I'm wired in, dude. Come on, dude. We're Zuckerberg fans here. We're not locked in. We're dialed, or we're wired in. I'm gonna have to pop that movie on after this. It's freaking great, dude. I get so inspired by the Social Network movie. Wait, what in the Dickens? Okay, selected day. That's a weird ordering, but I'll allow it. I'll allow it. Yep, I'll allow it. I don't know why I would have ever in my life gone day before month. That's not even in my blood to be that unorganized. But alas, am I afraid? I'm not too afraid because we live on like a floating dot on a floating piece of dust floating through the universe. But I'm sad about it. No, no, no. That's a horrible format, to be honest. I'm sad about it just because I like coding. It's fun to me. But you know what? There's big game companies and people make games that suck and they have fun. It's banger alert, by the way. Dude, someone DM Mulroy. I'm gonna DM him. Gotta DM that dude. Where is he? I need his Spotify plugin. Stat. Where is this dude? He's so far below in my DMs. How heartbreaking. It's not the first thing I've used that Mulroy created, by the way. Did the bot go down? The bot got cooked. The bot got cooked. Who cooked? Oh, yeah. That's gonna keep happening for a while. So just let it be, guys. Okay. Yeah, I need Mulroy's Spotify thing. It's so sick. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to life. This looks. Oops. This looks decent. First a month. You're a free user of Spotify and better. Which one are you gonna pay for first? Which one's gonna hook you in first? Let me ask you this, Rizarshi. How much does it haunt you to see buy premium now every day you open the app? It slowly haunt you? That's my goal. That was my goal. Is like the app should be usable, but I do want it to slowly haunt you. That's outstanding. That's an outstanding, guys. That's an outstanding performance. I mean, that's an outstanding performance. That's an outstanding. Here, Akira, Akira, why don't you send over 100 bits? See how that works. They seem to be copying you. They broke the chain. They broke the chain. That was great, guys. That was great. You put something in self promotion. Dope, dude. Okay, hold on. And guys, an absolute banger. I'm just worried about the mega banger that's on. There you guys go. I timed him out. I didn't want to ban him. I timed him out. You said ban you. You said ban you. I can't read the whole chat. You know what I mean? Especially when it's scrolling like that. I literally feel like your account. Let me look. Let me look. Let me see if I can see your messages. Guys, did this not just happen? Am I crazy? So I chose not to delete not to ban you. I merely timed you out, bro. The hell are you talking about date porn stuff? This does look like date porn, doesn't it? The way that I'm maneuvering these dates, it probably does come off as like date porn. I think I do agree with you. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Let's see if I just broke everything. Damn you. Who put this song on, dude? You guys wouldn't understand Nickelback. You guys just wouldn't understand. A lot of you guys probably don't even know what a Nickelback is. Put a 1 in the chat if you don't know what a Nickelback is. Dump question. Do you need to learn React first to start learning? Dude, I learned React Native first. I've never written a React app before. Not once. Not once. Just React Native. A Nickelback. A Nickelback is when you get 5 cents back for your can. So if you get like a soda can and you give it to they need to change that to 10 cents after all this inflation. Damn. You'd get 5 cents back. They need to make it 10 cents now. I'm sure there's a soccer team called Nickelback before. What inspired you to learn React Native? I needed to build a mobile app. So I went on Google and I said how to build mobile app for iOS and Android. It said there's this thing called React Native. I said, what's React? And then I sat down on a computer and I said, all right, let's start typing. And here we are today. Still don't know what React Native is. So we selected the month and it botched me. Scroll. Watch this. I'm about to cook this, guys. Guys, I'm about to really do this here. I've never seen the chat go so fast. Okay. I do. Damn, we need an dude. Should I pay somebody on Fiverr to create me a better intro, and just use whatever it is will be my stream intro, whatever they come up with. So, yeah, dude, this could be sick. Let's search Twitch intro from $20. I need like an intro song. I would create an intro song for YouTube Twitch channel for $15. I think it's 100% it. I think we're 100% doing that. For $15, why the hell not? Also, guys, I'm getting a soundboard. A virtual one, obviously, but I'm gonna get a soundboard so I can start playing things like Daddy Chill and what in the hell is even that? My two favorite sayings. Well, no, more so the second one's my favorite. Okay, anyway, check this out. What are you? Okay. So this is going to take a date data of type what do I call this thing? Main. Select. Oh, damn. What the shit are we listening to? I mean, I know it. I know it's Nickelback, like from a pirate. It's like pirate Nickelback. I don't trust this as far as I can throw it, guys. Okay. Month index, day, and that's the best I can do. Day index. Month index. No, I want it month first. Month always comes before day. I can't believe what I was thinking when I would put day before month. I actually can't believe it. You want to start from the largest, most generic, and then go to the most detailed with everything you do. Your parameter ordering, everything. Start with the most generic and drill down to the most minute. Oh, of course. Of course. No, I would never use a slash on my date, dude. I'm not a dummy. 2024. Yeah, there's your date. There's your date. No, you're actually right. I actually agree with you. I probably agree with you. Now I don't know. What do I use for my app? Hello. Gotta stop doing that. Yeah, no, I do it my way. But I don't disagree, probably, I think. Okay, anyway, we're still doing month first. That's a sick format. That's a sick format, dude. He said new date format dropped. We're so close to victory here, guys. I mean, it looks legit to me. Let's do a little bit of a test. Let's do a little bit of a test, shall we? How is it still scrolling? How is it scrolling? How is it still scrolling? That sounds like a low key banger. All right, here we go. So scroll should be broken. Damn it. Okay, it's broken. It's broken. It's broken. Okay, perfect. Now, yo, Thelba, first time chatter dropping a YouTube video. Thank you so much for that link. I'm sure that's a really good thing to click on. I'm sure that's a really good thing to click on. I'm like I'm like sprinting to that link so I can click on it. You took the risk. What a dummy. Because I would too, was why I say that. Like, how funny is it that there's like a link you probably shouldn't click on, but you just can't not? Like, that was potentially a really bad idea. I mean, I don't know. I guess I don't know enough about URLs. Are we sure it's YouTube? It looks like it's probably YouTube. I don't know what YouTube.be is. Do you? Who knows? It's probably YouTube. I couldn't agree more. It is probably YouTube. Agreed, Akira. Probably. It's probably YouTube's short URL. Probably. How sure are we? What was the link? My point is, my point is, I can't. You see a link, you almost can't not click it. Am I right? Okay, so who calls this? Cool. All right. So now we scroll, but we still don't scroll when we click these. But we're about to. Don't you guys worry. I've been cooking the way I've been cooking for a certain reason. I've been doing this for a reason. Unselected. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, just absolutely nothing. Just absolutely nothing. If you thought something was going to happen, you were mistaken. I'll even give it a refresh, see if that helps. Oh, it scrolls. It scrolls, guys. Is it a sprint or a marathon, guys? Come on now. Come on now. Is it a sprint or a marathon? Oh. What happened? Oh, what happened? Bruh. Does this date exist? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Wait, then why are we getting... Why are we getting third? What the hell, guys? All right. Okay. Okay, it's off by one. It's off by one. August is 8. Yeah, Demi goes hard, dude. I like Demi in I'm just gonna cue it. I like this song. Yeah, oh, big fan of this song. Yo, did we see Twitch scam the other day? Yesterday? Why do I feel like we didn't see Twitch scam yesterday? Get freaking own Twitch scam. Freaking rookie. I thought about that by looking at the person who just followed me and said, yeah, that's probably a bot. Zez Zeslin Mihail 7063. Are you a bot? This is interesting. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 7. Which may be the index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 0, 6. So that's correct. For instance, this should be 0, 0, 0, 30. Correct. Scroll wheel on your mouse goes in random directions. Dude, that's an epic feature. How do I get that to happen? So that should be 1, 0. So going forward should always work. Banger alert. Banger alert. Wait, was this a YouTube song? It's a great song. That was a great incument. Okay. So when I click I can't figure out what the bug is yet. Yeah, smart. December. November. October. I'm wondering if it's a timing issue. I'm wondering if it's a timing issue. Why is Jan there? Because we scrolled to you can see 6 months ahead. Yo, Sandler. Sandlar. Did I get your username right? November. On month selected. Banger alert. Okay, that's all good. Although I'm seeing time. Bandlar. Nice. Bandar. Got it. I don't know what that one's in there for then, but I got close. Okay, October. Okay. October 1st, 31st, scrolling to. It's a timing issue. It's gotta be. TypeScript. Although I don't know where 29 keeps coming from. Because the date before wasn't 29 either. Oh, it was. Damn. All right. I mean, absolute banger, dude. Month improved. Wait till you see my in-queued song. Musembi, what's good? What's good? I'm f- I'm full stack. I'm full stack. Don't ever put me in one box. Just kidding. Just kidding. I say that because I think it's hilarious how there's a difference. Lieutenant, you'll learn one day. You just gotta practice. And you can one day you can be as bad as me. It's not really anything to get excited about. When you're this bad, it's tough. Okay, so what do I need to do? This is my demi jam. On on selection change. I basically need to figure out when the rendering changes. To prove it, by the way, let's just do this. Dude, I could do this. I could always just show 31 days and hide them if they're not visible. That might be the way to absolutely cook that. Like that's a play Demi would have thought of. What does advanced visible do? Oh. So where does it get its months from? I don't understand yet. All months. And then there's I'm sure there's days of the month. Okay. That's the problem. That's the problem, guys. Good banger. How's better, React or Angular? React. Dang, Clarity. Dude, Clarity is one of my all-time favorite songs. Guys, this is half a DJ stream, just so you know, if you were wondering. We do our favorite things. We listen to music and we code. Okay. What is date picker element? Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. Does anyone use this? All right. So I can't just pass in all 31 days always because I tie a date to the object. So the next option is cry. Is really my next option. Damn, what am I going to do? I actually don't know. All right, let's do a YOLO here. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Where did my chat go? I lost my chat. Druid. 7 months. You blow my mind, dude. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Thanks for the continued support. Welcome in, by the way. Also, I think it's hilarious to be asked a polarizing question like React versus Angular, and then just give a straight up answer without any thoughts beyond that. I find that hilarious. Oh yeah, that's my favorite song. My wife is so over this song, dude. You have no idea how over this song is. My wife is, and I'm just warming up. Trust me, I'm literally just warming up. She's over this song, correct? This is a little risky what I'm doing right here. Any errors in here? No. Cool. So, if we don't actually care about the day key, then I can just, oh, we don't, oh, damn. Brutal, guys. Okay, then I have an idea. This could be a hack of a lifetime, guys. And this is why I'm not able to be a good programmer. Because look at this. I'm too lazy to figure out. You could even say I'm too unskilled to figure out how to add the placeholders up to 31 days. So I just put a comment and I just let Copilot do it. Like, is that's either big brained or my brain's turning to mush. I'm unsure yet. I'm unsure yet. That might have fixed the bug right there. Ready? Well, it did. What can I do here? Oh, this is the other one. She's very over. This is the one she's very over. You gotta understand, I get in the car, pretty much those two songs go back to back to start out the drive. Oh yeah, 100%. And when I listen to music, I usually listen to the same song on repeat. Trying to see if I can cook this, guys. I am actually programming Facebook. It's an extension off of what Mark started on. And I'm getting really good at it. But the end goal is to get laid. There we go, Strong. That's what this is all for. Face torque. Face torque. We're building the next face torque. Like, this song should have just been the song. I don't know why there's a different song. This should have just been the song. I'm not sure why there's even original. Formic and Yup. I've never heard of either of those, dude. We don't really do input validation here. We don't really support that. I think YouTube's on their way to take over Twitch. We'll find out. Time will tell. Time will tell. Yeah, Bandar, we don't really support input handling here. It's just a personal preference. It turns out most users don't actually input any errors. So to assume they would is judgmental. And we're doing everything we can not to be judgmental here. My users are so important to me. I assume nothing but the best from them. To do anything else would be a disservice to your users. Exactly. That's why they're created. Yes. On complete, they're created. Or on create, they're completed. All right, guys. This is a YOLO of a lifetime, okay? If I pull this off, I need ones in the chat. This is you haven't seen a hack this big yet, is all I'm going to say. If I pull this off, I need ones in the chat. First of all, let me just hack this and see what happens. Aww. Do you not have display? None. Oh, what is this banger? What is this? Dude, this is the best band that's ever existed. Every time I wonder who it is, it's the freaking same band. It's unbelievable. All right. This one goes out to Late Key, guys. All right, this is for everything. This goes out to Late Key. Cross your fingers we don't screw them here. We kind of screwed you. Dude, not another sub. Get out of here, OT. Let's go, my friend. Thank you for the support. Glad to have you here. Hope you're doing amazing. Sippy time. What the hell? Oh, sippy time. I was like, what the hell is sippy time? Let's go, Sidron. I was gonna say if this was our last night, I would have just flipped my desk. Yeah, I'm facing hardship, guys. Don't know what to do. I can do the worst hack in the world. I could do the worst hack in the world. Done and shipped, my guy. Dude, so check it out, guys. Here's the remaining bug we have. There's only 30 days in November. There's 31 days in December. And when I click on, sorry, reverse what I just said. You love how my style is styling you? Bruh. I got no stylist, boy. This is all self-designed, my guy. This is all self-designed. Okay. Thinking I got a stylist to look like this. Check this out, guys. November has 30 days in it. So when I click October, it goes, oh, you got 31 days. Let me scroll to 31st. But there's a problem. This component hadn't rendered yet. So it stops. Here's an even better example. Watch me go from March to February. It stops at the 20. Wait, no, that was well cooked. Okay, from February to January. Watch this. It stops at the 29th because that wasn't rendered yet. But watch what happens when I do a little bit of a scroll ski. It is the 31st and it's selected, but it's not scrolled. Calendars are what made you stop coding. They're tough, my guy. They're tough. All right. I mean, this song should, yeah. Yeah. We should just be a DJ stream, to be honest. I should just be up here in a DJ booth. Do I play Valorant? Never. Should I be? That's how do we how do you know when something was rendered? In React, how do I say, oh, I was rendered? Now I can kick off something else. That's the question. So thanks, dude. Thanks, dude. As I said, self-designer. Self-designer. You see this haircut? You see this haircut? That's like a CEO's type of haircut right there. See that? See the plain shirt with the stain in the corner? With the stain in the corner? You see that? You can't make this up, dude. Come on. Okay. Okay. Use effect probably. No, use effect happens before the render. It's what causes the render. So the problem I'm facing is January gets clicked, we get the data. Use effect is called after render. But can trigger a render, I guess. Right, right. Makes sense. Okay, so let's see. Rat set timeout. Bandit, that's what I'm thinking. Hello. That was weird. No. No. Fine. For good measure. For good measure, guys. Here we go. Dig this. Dig this. Big money right here, guys. Scrolling to index 30. Why would it scroll to index 30? Yeah, no, that makes sense. Why didn't you scroll to index 30, though? I'm going to try one thing, guys. Wish me all the luck in the world, okay? Are you guys wishing me luck? Uh-oh. Come here. It's his birthday. Come here. Oh.
I like your guitars.
Thank you, guys. We got a birthday boy. We got a birthday boy. The dev dad is out of here. Let me start a raid, and I'm gonna go hang out with the fam to celebrate this boy's birthday. Ralphie, they're saying happy birthday to you. They're saying happy birthday. All right. Anyway, we'll solve this bug tomorrow, guys. It is birthday time. We are going to Adrian. Good morning, buddy. Thanks for the kind wishes, guys. We are out of here. Q wave. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job, buddy. All right.